Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We are doing a Keep It Simple Sunday Kiss. So, I am using some products that I got from a swap that we did last month and came across these beautiful napkins that I'm also going to be sharing in the next swap we're doing with the napkins. You'll be seeing it very soon. So, besides going to Hobby Lobby and Walmart and places like that to get napkins, I decided to go Party City because I wanted to have something a little bit different for this upcoming challenge. And when I saw this beautiful napkin, it like stole my heart. So I had to buy it, of course. I have tons of napkins, mostly fall related ones and Christmas ones, but this is my spring collection and I have got a lot of them. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, as you may see, we are painting the board white just so that way we can get a good base coat before we do some Mod Podge. And I'm going to do a technique that I saw Jackie do. From a different channel where she let the actual Mod Podge dry and then used her iron to heat it up. Oh my god, that was amazing. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am going to put your link in here because that was an amazing little technique. No ripples, no like spongy look. It looks so clean and visible and it doesn't have any ripple effect. I wish I would have known that months ago because that would have saved me a big hassle when I was doing the project with the raccoon in the wagon. Oh my god, that would have been so easy. I wouldn't have had any ripples in my decoupage. I mean, that was just amazing trick. Thank you so much. I am going to give you a big shout out in this video. I really appreciate everything you have shown me. I am still new at decoupage, but it's always good to learn a new trick. Do the rest of them. I just need one. April's Keep It Simple Sunday. The host of this challenge is Melissa Makes It DIY, and the co host is myself, the Stitching Witch. Thank you very much for having me. Please watch everyone in the playlist and like and subscribe to everyone. Thank you. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll